Okay, the next pose I show this side, the front, but the body see the body line of action is a S kind of S. Okay, so this is a very important part. So here this cloth like this, make it very sketchy. Okay, this today we are making the gesture drawing. Okay, so not details much, just sketchy. Okay, I use the sketchy line. Okay, this is now the sword. Okay, here this is also S. See, this is kind of S. Another hand is visible, little bit of this hand also coming like this. Okay, so first structure the with the line of action. Okay, we are going to the next pose like this. You can just come and directly can talk to the 6 o'clock is possible or not. So teacher definitely give some suggestions. Yeah, please come tomorrow and then we will talk regarding this. No, ma'am. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, ma'am.